Welcome to our guide on making money with AI video editing. Today, we'll dive into the exciting world of AI tools that are transforming the way we create videos. Did you know that AI video editing can significantly boost your income? Let's explore how much you could potentially earn in this growing market. Here are some key AI tools you can start using today. Each tool has unique features and pricing that cater to different needs. Let's break down the pros and cons of each tool so you can make an informed choice for your editing needs. Here are some inspiring success stories of creators who transformed their careers using AI video editing tools. To maximize your income with AI video editing, let's discuss some best practices to adopt. What's coming in 2025? Let's take a look at future trends in AI video editing that you should keep an eye on. Building your brand is crucial. Here are some marketing strategies for promoting your AI edited videos effectively. Avoiding common pitfalls can make a big difference. Here are some mistakes you should steer clear of when starting with AI video editing.